Welcome to this beginner's guide to C-sharp operators in Unity. Operators are the fundamental building blocks of any game or application. They allow us to perform calculations, make comparisons, and control the flow of our code, which is crucial for game development. In this video, we'll cover three essential types of operators: arithmetic, comparison, and logical, providing practical examples for each. Let's start with arithmetic operators. These are used to perform basic mathematical calculations within your C-sharp scripts. Addition plus adds two values together. For example, int sum equals 10 plus 5 will result in sum being equal to 15. Subtraction minus subtracts one value from another. Int difference equals 20 minus 8 will give us 12. Multiplication times multiplies two values. So, int product equals 6 times 7 results in 42. Division slash divides one value by another. When dividing integers, the result will also be an integer, discarding any remainder. To get a more precise result, use floats, like this. Float quotient equals 25.0 slash 4.0, which yields 6.25. Modulus percent gives you the remainder of a division. Int remainder equals 17% 3 will return 2 because 17 divided by 3 is 5 with a remainder of 2. You can see the results of these operations printed in the Unity console using debug log, a powerful tool for debugging. Comparison operators allow us to compare two values and determine their relationship, which is fundamental for decision-making in games. Equal to equals equals checks if two values are the same. For example, if player health equals enemy health will execute code only if they are exactly equal. Not equal to exclamation point equals checks if two values are different. If player health is not equal to enemy health will run if their values differ. Greater than checks if one value is larger than another. If player health greater than 25 will execute if player health exceeds 25. Less than checks if one value is smaller than another, useful for conditions like low health warnings. Greater than or equal to checks if one value is larger than or equal to another, perfect for threshold checks. Less than or equal to checks if one value is smaller than or equal to another, for example, checking if a score is within a certain range. These operators are often used in if statements to control the flow of your game based on specific conditions, making your game dynamic. Logical operators allow us to combine multiple conditions to create more complex logic, enabling sophisticated game mechanics. And double ampersand requires that both conditions are true for the entire expression to be true. This is vital for scenarios where multiple criteria must be met. Or double pipe requires that at least one of the conditions is true for the entire expression to be true, offering flexibility in condition checking. Not exclamation point reverses the value of a Boolean. If is dead is true, then not is dead is false, and vice versa, allowing for inverse logic. Using these operators, you can create complex decision-making processes in your games, leading to richer gameplay experiences. In this video, we've covered the basics of arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators in C-sharp for Unity. These operators are essential for performing calculations, making decisions, and controlling the flow of your game's logic. Practice using these operators in your own Unity projects to solidify your understanding and build more interactive games. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! Keep experimenting to master these fundamental C-sharp concepts.